Ayy, it all started when a nigga was a youngin'. Grabbed the pen and pad, started writing, now it's nothing. Niggas weak, niggas talk, they be bluffing. Niggas weak, niggas talk, they be frontin'. Niggas don't have goals, no ambitions, no money, niggas probably end up washing dishes. Niggas see a little shine and they model turn malicious. If niggas swing it first, I just count it and they fit it. Ha, counterfeit. Niggas ain't real, ain't legit. Stay 100K, I commit to that shit. I'm fucking on dimes, you fucking on tricks. 20 years young on my grown man tip. Hustle for mine, I hustle for chips. You hustle for shoes, you hustle for bitches. 2014, niggas please get a grip. Get a grip, California, yeah, I'm stationed in it. High in outer space like a satellite dish. I'm always hungry, nigga, I ain't settled for shit. She all about the money, she indulging it. Killing every rapper, no condolences. Intellectual spirit, I be holding this. R.A.G., I'm as real as it gets. Lil' dick niggas, they just pissed cause they missed. Speak on my mind and it turned to a hit. Ballin' every day, ain't no season for this. Subtracting you niggas like arithmetic. My words be the bomb, they don't even tick. Spiritual soul, spiritual lift. Picture the day I pull up in that 6. Sit back, reminisce, relevant shit. Scrubbing these dirty racks till they turn rich. Get a grip, just know that when you see me that I'm authentic kid. Never been a bully and I've never been a bitch. Certified nigga, keep the certificates. Music in this life, I grew up in that shit. R.A.G., I'm as real as it gets. I'm on you niggas' head, bounty hunter with this. Won't be sleeping cause I'm tired, I'll be sleeping cause I'm rich. Just brush my shoulders off, I ain't gotta be a pimp. I cross you niggas D-roads, no limp. Back in 05, yeah, nigga used to be a simp. 9 years later, I'm like fuck every bitch. I ain't never still, I work for my shit. Working 24 way past the grave shift. Niggas talk a lot, but they be on that little shit. Little engine that could, but they really couldn't. R.A.G. nigga, I'm as real as it gets. Get a grip, designed to succeed, the rarest of breed. Exhale that bullshit, spit real when I breathe. Metaphors that I bleed, ain't countering these. Ain't blowing on stress, no blunt full of leaves. Yo bitch break her neck every time that I leave. No Wiz Khalifa, my name is Khalid. I keep that loud pack and keep it OG. I laminate my bars, niggas can't cut these. She love when I cut, cause I cut so deep. Niggas fruity pebbles like sand on the beach. Unique on the flow, unique everything. Passing you niggas before you just blink. I do what I do, fuck what you think. Skinning you niggas turn you into mink. No Jason, not Freddy Krueger when they sleep. Impeaching you rappers, I follow my dreams. Get a grip, niggas can't see me, I be on that other shit. Cruise control, cruising, they life irrelevant. Square up, lil' nigga, why you gotta use the lead? No number 2s, you ain't use the right lead, leading not be led. That's the life I pledge, why niggas telling lies just to get some head. Kick, push, nigga, tell the truth till you dead. Never been a shooter, but I'm hooping if they threat. Never been a drooler, but I'm spitting if they sweat. Got no limits, if I want it, I'ma get R.A.G., haha. Real as it gets, I'ma say it one more time, I'm as real as it gets. Hustling so hard, cause in peace I'ma rest. I spit that soul, nigga, even feel it if you deaf. Keep a small circle like fuck all the rest. Keep a small circle like fuck all the rest.
It would really bring me happiness if you play with my penis. I'm just really into you, won't you be my highness? People always talk shit, but baby, never mind them. These hoes just getting mad because I am not behind them. Every time I start to question you, you remind me I'm so infatuated with you that it blinds me. Girl, you all I see, may I plant my seeds. I can show you loyalty, just come and fuck with me. I'll be the best you ever had, I love the way you swear that ass. Damn, baby, let me take a look at you. Gotta thank your parents, but it's the Lord who blessed you. That booty's barely breathing out your dress too. So you fancy her, you like the finer things in life. Just enjoy your life, because once, you will not receive it twice. My mama taught me how to play nice, but my papa taught me about them fist fights, so this guy will not fall. Crackheads and crack jaws, snap necks and cash checks, blood, sweat, and tears though. Herbs, pills, and powders, don't act all sour. Girl, hit them showers, let's fuck for hours. I could be your doggy, you can be my cowgirl. Don't stop, get it, love the way you do it, girl. Give me that funk, that sweet, that nasty, that gushy stuff.
Bitch, get ready for what's coming next. Hair pulling, sweaty sex, dominating full effect, penetrating while erect. Leave these bitches pussies wrecked, stories leave these bitches wet. I'm that guy you never met, but I'm all up in your head. Attracted by the words I said, lip biting on your bed, teeth marks on your neck, knowing that I come to flex. Fucking hoes.